This is the Monteverde Laguna fountain pen. The pen comes in a green Monteverde box, which has an outer sleeve. That sleeve slides off, and there's a leatherette box, little stitching on the edges, the Monteverde logo in silver on the top. And that box lid is a hinge style lid. It lifts open with a fabric interior. Once again, the Monteverde logo on the underside of the box lid. The pen sits in a false bottom box with some ink cartridges. It takes a standard international ink cartridges. Those are included with the pen. There's also information about the warranty, use and care guide, and Monteverde. And of course, we have the Monteverde Laguna fountain pen. This pen has a clear demonstrator with kind of a cracked ice look. It comes with a few different colors. This is the red version of the pen. You can see, like, inside, kind of a smoky finish to the resin, but you can see inside, you can see the nib and the converter inside. It has a unique clip design. It looks kind of like a bamboo hinge style to it that opens pretty easily. It's a little stiff, but it's got that lever action that helps it open. It has a matching ring at the center, at the bottom of the cap, that's engraved with Monteverde USA and Laguna on the back. And the barrel and on the top of the cap, there's some little ridges here. So there's a ridge here and one here where it kind of flares out, gives it a little bit of a bamboo feel to it, kind of matches that clip design. The cap is threaded and it will unscrew. It will also post on the end of the barrel of the pen. And it comes with a steel nib in a silver color to match the trim. And it is a cartridge converter pen, so the front section unscrews. And Monteverde includes an ink converter for use with bottle inks with the pen, as well as the cartridges I showed you earlier. So, great little pen, interesting design. Get your Monteverde Laguna fountain pen at penchalet.com.